Okay, so all you have to do to find your way into the hub is go to createartschool.co.uk, and on the top line there's something called Hub Login. So you click on that and that will allow you to come straight through to the Art Hub login page, which you then log into. And then you go and you can see all of the different classes available here. So the first one is the Art Skills class, which you click on, and it tells you all the different things that are coming up over the next few months. And if you scroll down, you will also be able to see all the archive of all the other skills classes that have been done in here before. And there's pictures and descriptions of how to find them. So if you wanted to do something, for instance, in a watercolour based material, you just navigate to watercolour. There's acrylic paint tutorials, there's gouache tutorials, there's ink, there's pencil. So you just can keep finding things that you want to do, and you just scroll down and have a look at what you'd like to do. But the up and coming live events are here, and all you have to do for those is just to click on one of them, and in there it just shows you what the Zoom details are for those and how to find them. So that's the art skills class, and then we have also the artist class. That's the second class that's included in the membership as well. So it's featuring the next up and coming artist here at the top, and then all our artist workshop library is just below here. So all the other artists that we've looked at in the past few years are all here. So if you can scroll through, you can see anything that you fancy, and here it tells you what materials you need to find if you wanted to do them, or a particular artist that you like the look of. You can just click on that and access the materials, and also you can access the videos of those as well. So if you're just starting out on your art journey, you may want to go into the discovery course, and this shows you lots of little small chapters which are all about different artists, different art materials. So if you just click in here, it shows you there's lots and lots of different materials here featured. They're very short, skills-based tutorials, and then all you need to do is watch the tutorial, carry out the activity in there, and then there's also a little drawing or painting that goes with that, so you can access all those videos in there. Really simple. If you're ever looking for the Zoom details or the times and dates for all the classes that were put on, you just can click into the Art Hub calendar, and here you go, all of the Zoom details and the dates and times are in there as well, depending on the month. So you might want to make a note of those in your diary. And then just to navigate back to the Hub main menu, you click on here and it just shows you that you're back at the beginning.